let's calculate weighted mean. Weighted mean is your same thing as your final grade. So here practically you will learn how to calculate your final grade, which is weighted mean. So you have the following activities: homework, lab, group activity, test, final exam. So let's assume from homework you got total of all homework, you got how much? Let's say 90 score. Okay. From lab you got score 80. Group activity you got also 80. Test you got, okay, let's assume 70. And final exam you got 80. All right. Now we are going to write down the weight, because every grade, every activity has its grade weight, actually. So the weight for, and it's in percentage, obviously. So homework is 10%. Lab is 5%. Group activity is also 5%. No, 10%, okay. Test is 60%. Free tests, 20% each. And 15% is final exam. So we should totalize 100%, right? If you add them up. So let's check it. Formula. Okay, 100. All right, total weight 100%. I got it. But here is one thing. So this is what is given. This is what is going to be given to you, okay? So let me shade it so you would know this is your given data. All right. This is what is going to be given, usually. Okay? All right. So, next step, what we are going to do, we need to calculate decimal notation of this weight that we have, because we never operate in the format of percentage. We always convert percentage into decimal notation. So to convert into decimal notation, what do? We need to divide by 100, right? Say this cell, oops. It is G8, okay, divide by 100. Okay, so my Excel, it's a little bit different because I'm using Excel for iPad, so it's, okay, tap twice, fill in, one more time, fill in, dragging down, and I got it here. Okay, so this is a decimal version of weighted activities. So, well, let's write down the formula that we need to use it for calculation. Okay. X bar, this is your weighted mean, is equal sum of X times W, I'll tell you in a minute what is what, and divided by sum of W. So X is my total score of activities. Ooh, what was that? X is my total score of activities, and W is my percentage. So I'm marking down the decimal version because that's what we are going to use. Okay, so first we are going to do this step, X times W, right? Let's fill out the formula. Is equal, so it's gonna be H8, okay, and then times it G8. I don't think this will take. No, it's not, because it's filled out formula there. So it's shaded. So it's gonna be J8. I will type it, not a big deal. J8. There we go. Got it. 1. So, no, wait. I'm human too, hey. So it's gonna be X, so E8. There we go, now it's correct. Next, we are going to fill in this formula, right? And drag it down. There we go, we got it. So this is our X times W. This is this row, column, okay. And next we need to get our sum of weight. And here we have it, because sum of weight, I added up, it was percentage wise, right? Which means if I use the same formula here, sum, I should get 1, right? Let's see. All right, I got 1. So this one is this is the one we are going to use it for the formula. So finally our X bar, red color, our X bar is going to be, let me put it here. So sum of X times W, where this is our X times W. Let me write down here also. Now blue color. And here I will have formula. I'm just going to drag and fill in, because it doesn't matter. There we go. Clean this 0. We got 75, the sum of weight. Okay, let me double check. Yep, 75. And finally, X bar, it's going to be equal sign. So we need to take sum of X times W and divide by 1. You got 75 score. Sorry, there is no B for the student.